Hello guys, welcome to another video for Odia Engineer. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you're going to generate the stack XML from the maintenance planner. So for that, you can just go to the package level here and you can see which is your product right now. This is my S4HANA 2020. So I'm going to update to the PS01 or something. For that, I just need to go to the maintenance planner. So let's go to the maintenance planner and see how to do that. So here's my maintenance planner. I can just select, okay, go to the Explore Systems, select your system here. This is my system FD2 and I'm going to select this. And once I do that, you can go and plan for a software change here. You can select the software change. It will take some time because maintenance planner is a little slow. You can select your plan and maintenance, or you can select your plan for S4HANA upgrade if you're doing a major upgrade. So for me, I think it's not required. So what we're going to do is plan and maintenance. And select your S4HANA. So you just select the patch here. So I'm just going to select the patch, maybe 01. Once I do that, so you just need to click yes, continue and select your whatever the things you want to select here. So confirm selection, everything is all right. So once it is done, you just need to select the database. You can validate 02, 02, 02. All the patches are 02. SP is 01 and 0223. This is a February 2023 release. So click on next. Okay, you can just see here, this is, we have the embedded Fury, so you don't need to worry on that. That error message was nothing much important. Okay, all right. So the next thing is we can just go to the, click on next. Add on SAP Fury, okay. That's all right. So you can just click on the LeanIX platform here. So Linux 8664-bit and don't select the HANA database and the sum as well. Rest of the things are as it is. Click on confirm. The following host files are not selected. What we can do is we can separately download the kernels. Okay, we'll select this SAP HANA database. We'll unselect the 2.0. Now this is okay. So it's HANA database is not mandatory at this moment. So that you can use any of the software manager, you can also use any of the database version which is compatible. Otherwise, if you select one database version, so the stack file will search for only that file. That's why I need to be a little careful. Okay, and now this is done. We can just click on next and we can send these files to the download manager. You can see this is a HANA client. Rest of the things are as it is. So yeah, very good. So now we can just download the stack XML and push to the download basket. And also you want to see the additional downloads, you can download the PDF as well. That will be containing all the detailed information, the download PDF. That's how it is. And that's how you can download the file. I hope you like the video. And you can see all the details here. So the planning perspective, what we are trying to do here is like S4HANA 2022. Initial shipment stack 2, we are going to the batch level 1. That's how it is. So thanks for watching the video. If you like it, do subscribe. And also don't forget to take the membership plan. Thanks once again. Have a great day.